Congratulations, you've made it into RenWeb. The next step is to dive into each class and assign attendance to those students in that class. If you do not see any classes here on the left-hand side, that means you have not been entered into RenWeb as a substitute teacher for that teacher on that day. If you do not see any classes, seek out your vice principal or the principal in the building. They can make that switch for you very easily. Let's use Steve Walker for example. Steve Walker has a 6th grade 06 Bible BIB-1. That means first period. So this is a 6th grade Bible class that's meeting first period. So when you click on that class, it'll pull up the class roster. All of these codes at the top have a different meaning, and we'll go through those together. The P stands for present. That's any student who is in class at that time. The NS means no school. That will not be a code that you use. Field trip, that could be a code that you use if you're in our building, but a teacher is gone with a different group of students. Those students would be on the field trip, and you would put FT in those classes. NC is no class. More than likely you will not be using that code. PR we do not currently use. TE and TE and TU you will use often. These are tardies. This is a tardy excused and a tardy unexcused. For tardies that are excused, you simply put TE in the blank. So Micah was tardy. So you would click tardy, click Micah, and it'll automatically go to his name. TU is unexcused. That's a student arriving to class without a note. AE is absent excused, and AU is absent unexcused. We currently do not use AU. You will only use AE. If a student is not present, then you would change that student to an AE simply by clicking on that student's name and mark AE. That'll change and assign Sean Clevenger as being absent. That's it for attendance. The next step we'll talk about lunch. In first period we also do lunch. So click on the next tutorial and we'll discuss lunch together. Thank you.